All right, 8400 46th Avenue Southwest. Date is May 27th, 2021. I'm making this recording starting at the Seattle City main sewer, and I'm making it from the clean out here in the corner of the house near the pathway. Seattle City sewer's raging by there like a river. As we come back, we come into the personal sewer line for this home. The homeowner of the house is responsible for everything back from that city main sewer. So as we come back, this is all homeowner responsible, owned sewer line. This is a 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line with a seam approximately every 2 feet. Those seams are what allows the roots to grow through the sewer and eventually cause clogs. You see a large root growing in through here, covering nearly 50% of the pipe, I would say. There's also a small hole in the side of the pipe at the top of the screen now. That's at the concrete pipe down near the main. As we come back, we're coming through that 6-inch diameter concrete that's off the property, kind of near the pathway fence line over at the corner of the property. And at this point, we come back into 4-inch diameter clay pipe. So they switch material from 6-inch diameter concrete to 4-inch diameter clay. Approximately 13 feet of that old 6-inch diameter concrete before you get into the main. We're going to zero out our footage now that we're back in the 4-inch. And we're now in 4-inch diameter clay. Similar to the concrete, there's a seam about every 2 feet. Those seams are where the roots grow in, where you get shifting and obstructions in the line. So you see these roots approximately every 2 feet where those seams are. This is after a recent cabling, so a lot of these roots are probably cut out during that cabling cleaning. We come up now into this PVC plastic. PVC plastic is a existing section that's connected to this clean out. So we've got, we're going to call it 30 feet of original 4-inch clay pipe before you get into the PVC plastic here. And up out of the clean out, there's the clean out we're making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there and do a little bit more locating.